Good morning guys! So, for today's vlog, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko gawin ang aking daily makeup routine. So, ayan. Kung nakikita nyo, curly pa yung hair ko. Ito ay yung kaghapon. Napag-curl kasi JS prom namin kahapon. And you know guys, I feel so sad last night because the video that I edited for you regarding my daily makeup routine was deleted. Nakakasad talaga. I was supposed to upload that one, but then my phone warns me that I need to free some space for me to upload the video. However, hindi ako naging careful kasi akala ko pag na-transfer mo na sa video editor or sa power director yung video, mas-save na yun doon. Another copy will be saved doon. But, hindi pala. Kung i-delete mo yung original na video na ipinasok mo sa power director, ma-delete din yung video na andun sa power director. So, ayun. Ay, I was really sad because that was my first time, and since I'm a new vlogger, so ayun, hindi ko nakita yung, I didn't see that coming. So ayun, mga 12 AM na ata ako noon natapos mag-edit. Kahit hindi naman talaga masyadong edited yung vids ko kasi hindi naman talaga ako magaling sa pag-i-edit. But still, nag-effort pa rin ako noon. Kaya nag-isip ako gabi, bakit? Ginawa ko ng lahat. Nag-try ako mag-search sa YouTube ng video recovery app, and yes, nag-download talaga ako. However, I was disappointed kasi hindi niya ma-recover yung video, just photos. And kung video ay recover nyo, photo lang yung, or isang part lang ng video yung mari-recover, and it turns out to be a photo instead of a video. So, ayun, napag-isipan ko na gagawa na lang ako ng ibang video, or gagawin ko na lang, i-film ko na lang ulit yung daily makeup routine ko para sa inyo. By the way, my daily makeup routine is not that complicated, it's not that complex, it's just very simple. I just used 3 products for my entire face. So, ayun, if you're interested with this video, please click the like button and the subscribe button below together with the notification bell for you to be updated. So without further ado, let's do it! So, ayun lang yung nag-iisang clip na natira sa mga clips na nabura ko regarding my daily makeup routine. So, gagawin na naman natin ulit ang aking daily makeup routine. So, ang una kong ginagamit na product ay itong sunblock cream from Porcelana. Nakita nyo? Okay, buksan na natin. Ang nakalagay na directions dito ay apply liberally and evenly to face and exposed parts of the body before sun exposure. Avoid contact with eyes. Store at room temperature and keep in a cool, dry place. Keep out of reach of children. So, hindi lang pala to siya for the face, but it can also be applied on the parts, on other parts of our body na na-expose sa sun. So, kuha lang tayo ng konting amount ng product. Ganito lang. Oh my gosh, ang mga chismis na aking mukha ay nakikita. Ganon. So, ayun na siya. Kindly distribute the products evenly on your face and rub it in a circular motion.
Pero na-apply nice din, mas iyak. Nice, eh? Sama, daka ng Google storage nila. Ano, bisa pagpila pag-isip.
Ano to? Ba't may pula? Lip tint?
Magunit ka na kung maboring ka rin sila. Murag, pag-abot na masistem, wala niya. Simulay ka ng mga ability niya ng kuan mo, ma-amaze ka ba? Right.
So, ayan na. And do not forget to include your neck para hindi naman magmukhang maputi lang yung mukha mo. So, ayan. Tapos na tayong mag-cream. Again, Porcelana Sunblock Cream. Kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit sunblock yung ginagamit ko, it's because sa aming workplace, napakainit doon and I really need to protect my skin from the UV rays. That's why I'm using this Porcelana Sunblock Cream. Next natin gagawin ay ang ating kilay. Na-mention ko na to sa isang video ko, yung name ng product na ginagamit ko for my kilay. And ito yung EB Advanced Silky Brow Liner, the shade Caramel. As you can see, colored yung hair ko, kaya dapat yung kilay ko should also be colored. So that's one tip for those who have colored hair. Your brows should also be colored. Kung ano yung kulay ng hair mo, yun din yung kulay ng eyebrows mo. So, ayan. First, we'll just do the first step to do our kilay is brush, brush, brush. If hindi pa in place yung eyebrows mo. And outline on the lower part. Alright. And then, pagkatapos, sa ibabaw naman. And then, after yan, i-fill in mo lang yung mga spaces na andito sa in-between. Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. O bakit pa kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap lang ay huwag ka nang lumihis. And then brush. Brush, brush, brush. Okay, tapos na tayo sa ating unang kilay. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo. Yung may kilay at saka yung walang kilay. So, mas maganda talaga pag meron tayong eyebrow on fleek. 'Diba? Kasi naman sa bare lang, oh, kita nyo? Mas magandang tingnan kung may kilay. And be sure na yung kilay nyo ay well-defined. You know guys, may ano dito, may celebration dito sa aming kapitbahay. Meron silang live band. At ang music na yon at the moment ay yung kahit ayaw mo na. Ginip lahat ng ito. Again, let's outline. Pakiusap lang ay huwag ka nang lumihis. Madaling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Ako'y lalapit layo ng layo. Gustong-gusto ko talaga tong eyebrow pencil na Everbilena kasi super pigmented. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-effort para mag-mark yung pencil niya. Light lang na application, makikita mo na agad yung product on your brows. So, ayan. Tapos natin i-fill in. Be sure na pantay ito sa kabila. Ayan. So, dito, ibabrush na natin. Ikaw ay magalit, sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'kin. So, ayan. I think, okay na tong kilay nito. Pakiusap lang ay huwag ka na. So, ayan. Ganun lang kasimple gawin ang kilay. Next, the last but not the least, itong Tropicana Cranberry Juice. Familiar ba kayo nito? Ba't hindi naman siya nagpo-focus? Ayan. Itong Tropicana Cranberry Juice, nabili ko lang to siya sa presyong 150 pesos. And, sobrang sulit na siya kasi you can apply this both on your lips and on your cheeks. So, sulit na. And I also purchased a cheek and lip tint before, KJM, if you're familiar with that. In the shade Bloodshot. I purchased that last June 2017 and until now, February 2019, meron pa rin siyang laman. Ganito na lang kaliit. Konti lang yung laman niya, pero nakaka-amaze kasi 2 years na mahigit, meron pa rin siyang laman. Hindi pa rin siya nag-ubos. Kaya, nung pag-launch nitong Tropicana Chicken Lip Tint, doon pa ako nag-change. Pero gustong-gusto ko talaga yung KJM also. So, ito na, i-apply na natin sa ating lips. Ganyan. But be careful kasi pag nadamihan mo ng lagay ng product sa lips mo, there's a tendency na kakalat yung product sa teeth mo. Yan lang yung drawback na nakita ko dito. I guess that's applicable to all roller tints. So, yan. Then, just do this. And then, if you want to apply this on your cheeks, just do this. Because ganito lang yung ginagawa ko. And then, apply that. Dab, dab, dab on your cheeks. Ganun talaga ako. Apply and then, ganyan. Kita niyo? Konting product lang yung inilagay ko, pero ayan na siya. Makikita mo talaga. And on the other side also, dab, dab, dab. And be sure to apply the product on the apple of your cheeks. Hindi dito, hindi rin dito lang, but dito, saka papunta dyan. And there are some YouTubers that I've watched na gumagawa sila ng, ng drunk blush. Minsan din, ginagaya ko sila. Ginaganyan ko lang dito, tsaka ginaganon ko sa bridge ng aking nose, at tsaka dito rin. So, ayan. But I do not do this on a daily basis kasi nga, sa nature ng work ko, kailangan talaga na, a formal effect. But when I go with my friends, go out with my friends, or with my family, usually ginagawa ko talaga. Ayan. And one tip that I also learned from one of the YouTubers in the YouTube community is that maglalagay din dito sa chin. Yan. But just a minimal amount. Para naman, parang natural looking siya. And I learned this one from the famous YouTuber, Miss Michelle D. When I explore the YouTube world, Michelle D is one of the YouTubers that I always watch kasi gusto ko talaga siya. Kaya ayun, at nagagandahan at nasasexihan din ako sa kanya. At saka, I'm really into makeups. I want to learn how to use makeups. That's why I always visit her channel since she is a makeup guru. So, ayan na. So, that's it. That's how I do my daily makeup routine. I only use 3 products as I've said earlier. Again, let's have a recap. The first one is the Porcelana Sunblock Cream for my entire face. And the next one, I use this Ever Bilena Silky Brow Liner, the shade Caramel, for my brows. And guys, I swear, it's very pigmented. Super pigmented talaga siya. Hindi kayo magsisisi. 100 pesos. Sulit na to. I use this for almost a month. And yes, it's very sulit. And the last product I use is the Tropicana Cheek and Lip Tint, which is also 150 pesos only. And it would last a year or 2. By the way, itong Porcelana, it only costs 55 pesos, I guess. And this will last for a month also. So, that's it for today. Ito lang yung mga products na ginagamit ko para ma-achieve ang look na ito. So, ayan. Ano ba ito? So, for more videos, kindly comment down on the comment section kung ano yung mga gusto nyong videos na gagawin ko sa susunod. So, that's it guys. That's how I do my daily makeup routine. So, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And please do not forget to click the subscribe button below and also the notification bell to keep updated every time I upload a video. So, thank you for watching. Bye!